Hey there, it's Guarda, and today we're going to talk about Ravencoin, especially creating and exchanging on your Ravencoin wallet in Guarda. First of all, when you create a new Guarda wallet, you won't have Ravencoin until you would press Add Wallet under the More Wallets Available tab. As soon as you press Add, a Ravencoin wallet will be created and Guarda Wallet backup file will be automatically saved. Now we go to the Exchange tab and choose Ethereum wallet. You can exchange with any currency, but in my case I'm gonna use Ethereum because I've got a lot of it to spare. Now we choose Ethereum wallet and Ravencoin wallet. Then we choose the amount that we wish to exchange. I'm gonna press minimum amount just so I know what my options are. Then we press next, check the details of our transaction and press confirm. And that's it, transaction is successfully done, our exchange is being processed, it's gonna take about 5 minutes for it to get delivered. Now we're going back to history just to check the transaction. There we go, in the history of transactions, our new transaction has been created, its current status is waiting, so we're gonna wait for a bit. After some time, our ravens are successfully delivered, and that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications to stay in touch with the world of cryptocurrency and Guarda wallets. Have a safe crypto journey!